Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Who doesn't like a bit of tiramisu cake? A very Italian and delicious recipe. Start with a basic chocolate cake and coat in coffee syrup, using a silicone brush just to paint it on. Pipe on mascarpone cheese and close it up with another layer of chocolate cake, adding more coffee syrup on top. Now use the turntable to coat the entire cake in mascarpone cheese and smooth it out. Refrigerate for 15 minutes and then stick on ladyfinger cookies. We've just snipped the bottom end off so it's flat against the surface. These go all the way around the cake. There. Now pipe some chocolate ganache over the top of the lady's fingers so it drips down the sides. Lovely. And mascarpone cheese goes on top in the middle. Then dust on some cocoa powder for a finishing touch. And there you have it. Tiramisu cake, your favourite Italian pudding combined with a chocolate cake. What's not to like? Enjoy! Look at this delicious chocolate tiramisu cake. Start by placing a Pyrex bowl over some hot water. Pour in 3 eggs and 100 grams of sugar and give them a whisk. Remove from the heat and then go for it with an electric whisk until it looks like this. Add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 10 grams of honey. Use the electric whisk to blend it all together. Next, sift in 100 grams of cake flour and 10 grams of cocoa powder. Carefully fold that in. Then pour in 50 millilitres of milk. Finally, add 30 grams of melted butter. And once the mixture is combined, you can pour it into a lined cake tin. And bake at 170 degrees for 30 minutes. Next, get a clean Pyrex bowl, place it over some hot water, add in 2 egg yolks and 30 grams of sugar. Mix them together and then add 4 gelatin sheets. Keep mixing until all the gelatin has melted, then remove from the heat. Add 200 grams of mascarpone cheese and 150 millilitres of whipping cream. Mix that all together and your mascarpone mousse mixture is ready. To a lined cake tin, add 1 slice of the chocolate cake you made before. Pour over the mascarpone mousse. Even it out and then refrigerate for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, get a bowl of coffee and dip some ladyfingers in it. Enough to soak up the flavour, but not too much so that they break. Then remove your cake from the fridge and place your soaked lady's fingers on top. Pour over the remaining mascarpone mousse. Then add the final piece of chocolate cake on top. And refrigerate for 2 hours. Then it's time to decorate. We're using some baking paper cut like so to have 2 different designs on top. So on the open half, we're going to dust on some cocoa powder, completely covering the surface. Then carefully remove the baking paper. And it's time to decorate the other side. We're piping on some chocolate ganache. Just letting it drip down the sides. You can be as creative as you like with the decoration. You can cover the entire top of the cake in chocolate ganache if you want, or all of it in cocoa powder. For a finishing touch, we're placing coffee beans along the join of the two designs. It does look absolutely fabulous. Look at that! Amazing! Chocolate tiramisu cake. Simply slice and enjoy.